Another way of putting a sound into your presentation is to attach a sound effect to an animation that you've created. To do this, what you're going to do is make sure that you've got the animations option selected, and you can go to the reorder option, and you can select any of the animations, and by going to effect options you can apply a sound effect from the drop down list. By selecting other sound, you can even attach a sound effect that you might have downloaded from another website. You can also do this on the transitions option, so a sound effect will play in between or at the start of a slide that you've created, and that can be done using the drop down menu here.